10th CBSE Mathematics Chapter Constructions. After watching this video, you will be able to construct a triangle similar to a given triangle when the given scale factor is less than 1. When we have to construct a triangle similar to a given triangle as per the given scale factor, then there are two situations. The triangle to be constructed can be smaller than the given triangle. The triangle to be constructed can be larger than the given triangle. The triangle to be constructed is smaller or larger than the given triangle will depend on the scale factor. Scale factor is the ratio of the sides of the triangle to be constructed with the corresponding sides of the given triangle. If the scale factor is less than 1, then the triangle to be constructed is smaller than the given triangle. If the scale factor is greater than 1, then the triangle to be constructed is larger than the given triangle. Let us construct a triangle ABC in which AB is 5 cm, BC is 6 cm and AC is 5 cm. Construct a triangle similar to triangle ABC such that each of its side is 2/3 of the corresponding side of the triangle ABC. Let us first construct the triangle ABC. Let us take a ruler and pencil and draw AB 5 cm in length. Let us take B as center and 6 cm as radius and cut an arc. Let us take A as center and 5 cm as radius and cut this arc. Let us mark this point as C. Join BC and let us join AC. Now ABC is our required triangle. Now to draw a triangle similar to ABC with the scale factor 2/3, let us first draw AX, making an acute angle with AB. In the scale factor 2/3, 3 is the greater number, so let us locate 3 points on AX. For this, let us take a small convenient radius and with A as center, let us cut an arc on AX. Let us mark it as A1. Taking A1 as center and without changing the radius, let us cut another arc on AX and let us mark it as A2. With A2 as center and without changing the radius, let us cut another arc on AX. Let us mark it as A3. Now A1 is equal to A1 A2 is equal to A2 A3. Let us join A3B. Since the scale factor is 2/3, we have to draw a line through A2 parallel to A3B. For this, let us take a small convenient radius. Let us take A3 as center and let us cut an arc. Without changing the radius, let us take A2 as center and cut the arc. Let us keep the compass at this point and let us measure this distance. Without changing the radius, let us keep the compass at this point and let us cut the arc. Let us now join A2, the arc, and extend it to AB. Let us mark this point as D. We have to now draw a line through D parallel to BC. For this, we again take a convenient radius and cut an arc at the point B. With the same radius and D as center, we cut an arc. We keep the compass at this point and measure this distance. We now keep the compass at this point and cut the arc. Let us join this D, the arc, and extend it so that it meets AC. Let us mark this point as E. Now ADE is the required triangle. Let us now recall the steps of construction. We first drew the triangle ABC. For this, the first step was to draw AB 5 cm in length. the second step with B as center and 6 centimeter as radius. We draw an arc with A as center, 5 centimeter as radius. Draw an arc, cutting the previous arc. Mark the point of intersection as C. Join AC and BC and we get triangle ABC. Below AB, make an acute angle. Angle BAX. Along AX, mark 3 points A1, A2, A3 such that A1 equal to A1, A2 equal to A2, A3. Join A3, B. The eighth step from A2. Draw A2D parallel to A3B, meeting AB at D. From D, draw DE parallel to BC, meeting AC at E. So triangle ADE is the required triangle, each of whose sides is 2 by 3 of the corresponding side of the triangle ABC. The construction can be justified by proving that AD equal to 2 by 3 times AB, DE is equal to 2 by 3 times BC and AE is equal to 2 by 3 times AC. For this, let us take the triangle EAD and triangle CAB. In these two triangles, we can see that this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. So we can say that angle EDA is equal to angle CBA. This angle is a common angle to both the triangles. Hence, we can say that angle EAD is equal to angle CAB. Triangle EAD is similar to triangle CAB by A similarity criterion. So we can say that AD upon AB equal to DE upon BC equal to AE upon AC. Let us mark this as equation 1. Let us now take the triangle A2D and triangle A3B. In these two triangles, we can see that this angle and this angle are corresponding angles. Hence, we can say that angle A2D is equal to angle A3B. This angle is a common angle for both the triangles. Hence, we can say that angle DAA2 is equal to angle BAA3. So, triangle AA2D is similar to triangle AA3B by AA similarity criterion. So, we can say that AD upon AB is equal to AA2 upon AA3. AD upon AB is equal to 2 by 3. Let us mark this as equation 2. Now comparing 1 and 2, we get AD upon AB equal to DE upon BC equal to AE upon AC equal to 2 by 3. So AD upon AB equal to 2 by 3. DE upon BC equal to 2 by 3 and AE upon AC is equal to 2 by 3. AD equal to 2 by 3 times AB. DE equal to 2 by 3 times BC and AE equal to 2 by 3 times AC. Hence this justifies the construction. After watching this video, you will be able to construct a triangle similar to a given triangle when the given scale factor is less than 1.